Got some coffee brewing over there? Strong or you go light on the coffee?
A little strong. I'm a little freaked out. We got so much to do.
The tour is coming quick. Rehearsals?
5, 6, 6, I'm set, 8.
And on top of that, I just put an offer in on the lake property.
So you went with the lake?
Mm-hmm. It just felt right. It's like summers when we'd all pack up, jump in Mom and Dad's van, drive up to Canada, and we'd spend the whole summer with Grandma and Grandpa at their cottage. So when you see it, you're gonna, well, first of all, when you see it in the condition it's in now, you might get a little freaked out. But just the vision and just fixing up all the little cabins, it's so peaceful. It's scary that we're about to go on tour, leave home for, months on end, but it was just, this was the property.
Can we see it?
Yeah.
I'll do a group text right now.
I think in certain instances, you don't want to hear your family's opinions, but in many instances, you do. And this was a case where I really wanted to hear the gut truth from them. Me and my family do everything together. So if I don't bring them up there and show them this project, it's gonna be hell to pay. And now that I own the place, I think it's the perfect time to get them up there. Hey, you there on the wall? Harley's just the best guy. I think a lot of times he rolls with my craziness. Scott is always eager to jump in there and get things done and...
Oh, another adventure for the night clan.
I think my mother and my sister Sharon are the most opinionated out of the whole night clan.
And I'm gonna make him
exciting, though.
Where are we?
Yeah. Quick U-turn. Oh my God.
Whoa, where's he going?
Oh, now he's turning around.
He's definitely lost.
My brother Jordan, everybody is always like, your brother's so quiet. And I'm like, no, he's not.
This place might not be on GPS.
You ready? Drum roll.
All right, folks,
Okay,
let's go check it out.
Go.
Well. Woo, look at that lake.
The view's amazing.
And it smells like pine trees.
Oh, it does. This is so beautiful.
Oh, you can't see other houses.
Yeah, look at this.
Hello, we are
The
here,
woods is like,
but don't know where we are.
like, I think my blood pressure's come down 10 points.
Yeah,
It's just,
definitely.
It has that effect.
Yeah.
I want people to experience the exact same thing that I experience when I'm here. And that's less stress, the joy of being outdoors, getting back to nature, spending happy times with family. You're not that far from civilization, but yet you feel you're in another world. This is perfect.
Oh, this is lovely.
This campground is 12 acres. It has 10 cabins, 2 shower houses, and an 1,800 square foot main house. The previous family owned this for 80 years.
Whoa. 80?
What did the previous owners do with the cabins? Did they have this as a campground?
In 1938, the grandfather, he actually built the house himself and built all these cabins.
Oh.
And they would just rent them out seasonally, and people would come year after year after year.
Wow.
John, let's go.
Come on, honey. Let's see this next cabin.
Look at this.
No, this is beautiful. The beach, I think this is my favorite spot.
I mean, you think you got a rickety old cabin, but you also have this beautiful beach. I want each cabin to have its own personality. I want each cabin to be appealing to different demographics.
Look at this paneling.
Wow!
You love the brown paneling. Yes. This is the test.
No water.
Womp womp.
Where's the bathroom?
The bathroom looks okay. The electrical is outdated because it's fuses.
So what do? You just move that thing somewhere
We
else?
gotta move it, but that's pretty much rewiring the whole thing. That's the money in this one. It's gonna be a plumbing and electrical.
I just want to walk around alone. You guys want to look at all the different cabins and just keep in mind, take notes, and maybe we'll all meet back up at the house later.
Okay,
All right.
sounds good.
I mean, that view.
Clear his head.
Oh my gosh. All of this has got to go.
It's like a murder shack or something.
Yeah, murder shack. Yeah, it is.
These are in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Solid. Just needs water.
Right.
Oh my God.
Hey, John, this one's perfect for you.
Yeah, everything's trashed.
Am I crazy?
I feel like I see it in your face, like you want to do this. And my head is seriously exploding because I'm the type of person that wants to like know all the numbers, get all the estimates, blah, 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 blah.
And I'm the one
And
that
you're
just
like-
jumps in
Yeah.
and like, if I swim, I swim.
Pull up a chair.
So what's everybody's thoughts?
It's so beautiful. The value is here,
Right.
but there's a lot of work. How much do you think each cottage would be to renovate?
Realistically, I can get each cabin done for $100,000. It'll be $1 million put into this property,
Wow.
all in.
As your mother, I'm worried about you spreading yourself thin financially and emotionally and physically.
I know this is a big risk, but this property reminds me of when I was younger and was just carefree. Wasn't working 24 hours a day, all stressed out, you know, traveling around the world with the new kids. And it has that nostalgia. It has that kind of retro feel.
To me, this also brings back memories of Grandma and Grandpa's cottage that we grew up on Lake Erie. So it brings back our childhood.
Sure brings back those memories for me, growing up, watching my parents put together a cottage and then being able to take my own children there in the summertime to enjoy it. So I think it would be
Now you can
really
watch your son.
wonderful.
That's one of the reasons why I love this property. It just feels right to me.
Yeah.
And I trust your vision, honey. I really do. We're digging in and we're gonna help.
Family affair.
A family affair.
I really think that we should start working on cabin 3.
I mean, cabin 3 makes sense. You see that from the main house when you're looking out.
I want every cabin to be really special, and I want to transform them. So I'm gonna take on the design challenge by myself.
Since we're gonna do one cottage at a time, I think cabin 3 is the perfect one to start with.
I don't need practice or nothing. It's like magic, I'm bumping. Lyrical acrobatics need something.
How's it going?
Oh my God. I thought we were gonna be insulated.
It was delayed because we can't get an inspection. There's no inspector in town. They're trying to get a new inspector, so I don't know how long that's gonna set us back. Could be 2 weeks, could be longer.
So that's scaring me.
Boy is black. Respect the best, the rest is just whack. Microphone check, 1, 2, legit. Gotta get down, gotta get down. Get up, press the death to bleed right now. Gotta get down, gotta get down.
Well. Look what the cat dragged in. I am stretched so thin right now on this property. With Farmhouse, we have Christina doing the design. I'm heading up the construction. But on this property, I am doing both. So having Jay come out to help do some millwork has been pretty massive.
I couldn't believe the space in here when I walked in.
It's so different,
It looks
right?
so tiny from outside. It's like, wow. I mean, whose place was this?
It was owned by the same family for 80 years.
Oh, wow.
I've heard that the family's still local somewhere.
It was originally called Waters Edge because the guy's last name was Waters.
I bet he wouldn't even recognize this place now. I love this millwork. I think with the shiplap, with the beadboard, I think the contrast with the white, that staying natural is gonna be absolutely phenomenal.
And you wanted this smooth shiplap, and I have to admit, I like it smooth.
Yeah, the smooth is way better. It just looks cleaner.
I still want to do rough natural on the ceiling, no? You want more smooth?
Let's deal with the walls first. Too many decisions. I'm like, every day it's like, what do you want here? What do you want
Times
here?
10.
And I'm just like, I can't think. I'll start to think on this decision.
Welcome to my world.
Yeah.
Is this the spot?
I say that's it. Go for it.
All right.
Some of my greatest moments are sitting by a fire. You can either zone out and just enjoy the fire. You can have great conversations. So I want to create that here. So happy today. We're digging out our fire pit away from any structures, and it's about 10 feet wide to fit our metal ring. These guys are gonna dig until we get 7 inches deep, line it with sand, and surround it with blocks or pavers. There's gonna be lots of memories made around that fire pit.
Come on. Ride with me, yeah.
Oh, this bench. Oh, that's awesome.
We're gonna have the brass sconces on both sides.
Oh, cool.
These are gonna go on the stairs going up to the loft. So it'll kinda just shine down on the stairs. I just think the brass with the wood tones and the white, it looks really elegant.
I love it.
Ride with me, come on. Ride with me. You're taking me away out to a brighter place.
All right, let's see what they did.
Yep.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Everybody.
Thank you.
Welcome to cottage number 3, also known as the Friends Cabin.
Where'd you get the idea for the outside color?
I wanted it to feel bold, a little happy.
I noticed the new roof, and there's no longer a garden up there.
You guys ready to see inside?
Yeah, sure are.
Look at the height here. These windows are amazing.
They are.
This is a $1 million view.
The windows were a little more than I had expected, but there's places where we save money. The floors. This was a huge savings. Just sanded them all down, got the paint off them.
This looks amazing.
The most awesome thing that I think is the fireplace.
I know.
It's amazing.
Isn't it wonderful?
I wanted to create a wow moment and a focal point.
I love the matching cabinets.
Yeah.
How did you find cabinets that match your fireplace?
These are actually all custom-built cabinets, and I know I probably went over budget, but
What else is new?
I'd say I spent close to $120,000 on this one.
Oh, are those leather knobs?
Yes. Isn't that unique?
Those are pretty cool.
It's very cozy.
Yes,
It is
very
very
cozy.
cozy.
Yeah, so you remember like the beds were just old and rusty, and now it's just a whole new feel.
I really love the rustic feel of the leather headboard and the pulls, and it was really good that we could bring those two together.
The old bathroom was in the back as well. It was a little bit bigger, a lot uglier.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
I love the color.
yes.
Yum.
Oh, good. Woo. Now it really is a camp.
There's nothing like a s'more.
Toasty.
For everybody. Woo. Dance around.
This is exactly what it's all about. The view and then sunset, it's just so magnificent.
And the company's not so bad either.